Good evening, everyone. Lakesia McKinnon making this video really quickly to let you know that we have some exciting things going on. First off, if you are in Fayetteville and surrounding areas, we will have an event. Our pharmacy will have an event tomorrow, August the 9th, from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. at the Comfort Inn Hotel at 1569 Jim Johnson Road in Fayetteville. I did create an event on my page as soon as I found out about that. And if you are in North Carolina but you're not in Fayetteville, if you are in Charlotte or surrounding areas, then we will also have an open house on Saturday, August the 10th from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. at the Comfort Suites at 7800 Gateway Lane in Concord. So come find out all about pharmacy, about this great company. Basically, you can join for $19.99. You get 50% commission, a 50% discount, no minimums. There is no website fees, and basically they have great products. This is the kit that I received for $49.99. It came with catalogs, came with samples. These even came with little gift bags. How cute is that for $49.99? And it also has guides so that you can learn more about the products that pharmacy does have. And I just love this box right here. I think it is adorable. But again, if you're in Fayetteville, you can come out to the Comfort Inn tomorrow from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. at 1569 Jim Johnson Road. Or if you're in Charlotte and surrounding areas, on Saturday the 10th, you can come out to the Comfort Inn Suites from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. and that's at 7800 Gateway Lane. You can really see that. But I have created the event on my page in Facebook. But that's that. Have a great evening.